Got my Starlink set up a couple weeks ago. Let's check it out. Quick shot of the instructions there. And power cable. Here's the base. And then here is the dish. And you can see the cables attached. And then there's the router. Looking at the router, there's connections underneath. It's that power and the data connection. And there's really no other interfaces, just Wi-Fi. And one long cable. So I've used this a couple times and I've been transporting it in the original box, which works okay, but it's starting to get worn out. So I thought I would give their carrying case a try. So, it's like a piece of luggage. Got a molded foam insert there. Got a couple nice little bags. And here's the instructions for this guy. Nice little foam fold over piece. And then I didn't realize it was a backpack when I first saw it online. So, garage floor is all dirty, that's nice. It's fairly compact. And let's see. Looks like the router goes in first, and then the base and the cable, and then the dish after that. So I also purchased the Ethernet adapter. This sits in line to the data cable. So just plug this into the dish and then plug your data cable in the back here, and then you have RJ45 Ethernet if you need a wired connection. I have not tested that yet, but it was fairly inexpensive. We'll try that out. So I can just sit in here. The molded foam fits very, very nicely. And then you've got the little piece of neoprene that flips over the top. Close it up, all good to go. So the case with the gear all loaded up is 21 pounds, but it does balance pretty nicely. And they do have a decent amount of padding and protection, and it does sit up on end. So pretty nice case overall. We'll see how it holds up for wear and tear. But I was a little curious. It's a little spendy. I think it's $250 right now. But everything fits in there pretty easily, and it's pretty easy to load up.